talk to you about what to expect when you receive your Nordica Cookstove. So basically this is how it comes packaged. So we always tell you, no matter what you're buying online, you must inspect it for any delivery damage before you sign for it. Now on this particular pallet, you will notice it is mostly very wide open here. So you can get in here, look, if the glass is broken, you can tell, are there tiles broken, any gouges in it. So very easy to notice. You know, these are just simple nails, so basically you need a hammer, a crowbar, pull your pallet apart, and you are good to go. So, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.